Now, dana monitagete goko guothe am trending, yeah? Na normally ndiendete gucokeria andu a chai because I don't like chai. I don't like defending myself. But as it is, ndenda kuga tu my family is concerned because naishi na wazazi, kugo aciari ne marenda kumenya atiriri mundurume uyu njigite ndimuigite ku tondu ngiikaraga nao nyumaga rucine kwa mami niwe haria ndutaga wira na njinoga hwaine kwa mami, kugo mami ararigo mundurume uyu njigite ku. And now that comes to the point that I do not care who you know, I do not care how many rooms you have been into, lakini going to sit on a national radio kuhenania gweka character assassination because people chose to question how you do these things. Madhane 24 bisha video evidence ya kuria jigete mudurumesha, and if you can de haha roga ijikaraga na mami mutume mundu oke arute mudurumio cio haha, yeah? Ata kama gutire mutumia onge kana muiretu onge ufatie gukorwa akiaria kirima giki giothe, we should not be having dissenting voices because you are going to do character assassination, yeah? So turns out sayo totora atonyuaga is an unverified lies. And again, if you are truly true in what you are doing, you would answer the question instead of attacking. Nedra kuhete gitio muno, nedra thikagiriria cai muno, and sometimes I believed some of these things you people said, but today andu aria maje they are concerned mararia atiriri tondu ikaraga kwa mamu wanyu ri na tondu haria urutaga wira ona kuhinde mamu wanyu okaga gatinda hau ri mundurume uyu wigite ku. That is what I want to know. I want proof. I just want proof. Na netogo thigotini because a media house should not be sitting down and telling unverified lies on people, characters in assassinating people because they speak the truth, yeah? Ogwo nagwo mota verified, ogwo nagwo bia cia school fees cia tumagwo M-Pesa ine na andu matikaria. Hatukatai. You don't want a dissenting female voice in Mount Kenya. Hatukatai. Lakini mbono udanganye. Imagine a respected media personnel sat on radio chose to lie. Hata munge verify kidogo tu. Nemoge kile verification. Tejigete MCA nyumba kwa mami kana gijikaraga na mami, yeah? So yeah, it leaves the question, sayo mutura muheaga andu, are you character assassinating people? Do you verify musane ore muheaga andu? I'm just asking. Meanwhile turauga atiriri angikorwo aria ange maheana kindu nikirakaragirwo ri, angikorwo ni tunegenaga andu maheana empowerment ri, onocio ri we are supposed to be angry. Gutingatwika ati aria tutara support meko andu tukahura no to ni turama support tugakira, eh? Anyway, I'm so sorry to the people who know me as a politician that I had to respond to that. I just had to make sure they know. My family wants to know mudurume aigetwo ko, and they are threatening to go to a court of law. I hope mko na evidence. Itangihoreka.